Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a fast, easy, and organized way to keep track of tasks either for yourself or with your team, then today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to set up a to-do list in Smartsheet using their handy templates. You'll see not just how to get started, but also some tips and tricks to make the template work perfectly for your needs, especially if you're a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, personalized to-do list up and running, ready to boost your productivity. So let's dive right in. The first and perhaps the most important tip: don't reinvent the wheel. Smartsheet offers ready-made templates that save you a ton of time and effort, and trust me, they are a lifesaver, especially if you're just getting started or need to get organized in a hurry. Templates are basically pre-built sheets designed for specific tasks, so you don't have to start from scratch or worry about structuring everything yourself. Once you're logged into Smartsheet and you're on the home page, you're going to want to create a new sheet. Look for either a plus button or a create button depending on your Smartsheet layout. It's usually on the left sidebar or smack dab on the home page. The icon might look like a plus sign or it might just say create. Either way, click that to start the process. Now, right after you click to create, choose the option to start from a template. This is key because starting with a blank sheet can be intimidating, and the templates really guide you with structure and best practices already built in. You may see a list of popular templates, but what I recommend is to click on View All Templates. This opens up Smartsheet's full gallery, making it super easy to browse or search for exactly what you need. In the search bar at the top, type To-Do List, and you'll see a variety of to-do list templates tailored for different needs. Some are super simple, while others have sections for priorities, deadlines, and even collaboration with your team. Pick the template that best fits what you're looking for. Don't worry if you're not sure, you can always experiment and even start over if you change your mind later. Once you've selected your template, hit Use Template, and Smartsheet will create a brand new sheet based off that template in your workspace. If you're new to workspaces, think of them as folders or little digital offices where your sheets live. This just keeps everything neat and organized. Now you're inside your very own to-do list sheet. This is where the fun begins. You'll see columns for tasks, due dates, status, and probably the person responsible. This is totally customizable, so feel free to rename columns, add new details, or even invite your teammates or colleagues if you want to share the list or tackle projects together. Just click on Share in the upper right and type in their emails. Collaboration is where Smartsheet really shines. Updates are live and everyone can see the latest info instantly, a bit like having a living whiteboard everyone can access from anywhere. Take a few moments to personalize your to-do list with real tasks and deadlines. Color code important items, set reminders, or add comments. These little features go a long way to keep you and your team on track. And there you go, you've successfully set up your Smartsheet to-do list with minimal fuss using the strength of templates. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have questions or want more Smartsheet tips and tricks, leave a comment below. I read and reply to as many as I can. And be sure to subscribe for more tutorials that help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new to-do list.